Happy day, students. I hope all of you are doing good. Okay, today we are going to see an interesting chapter, children. Okay, so before going to the lesson, I'll ask you one question. How much do you know about conservation? And why is it important for all of us to be concerned? Yes, I know all of you have got different ideas on these questions to answer. Am I correct, children? Yes. So today you are going to see an interesting chapter. The name of the lesson is Saving the Tiger. Now, before going to the chapter, we'll be seeing a few facts about the author. Now, the name of the author is Shekhar Dattatri. Okay, now we'll see who is he and what he has done. Okay, Shekhar Dattatri is one of the pioneers of wildlife and conservation filmmaking in India. Having started his filmmaking journey in 1983, his meticulously crafted natural history films as well as his hard-hitting conservation films have inspired and informed people all over India, all over India and around the world. Shekhar's lifelong fascination with wildlife began at the age of 13 when he joined the famous Madras Snake Park as a student volunteer in 1976. This led to nature photography and subsequently to filmmaking. His first film, A Cooperative for Snake Catchers, won the National Award in 1987 for Best Scientific Film. His next two documentaries, Seeds of Hope and Silent Valley and Indian Rainforest, were also National Award winners. As I want to say, children, he has written three children's books and a number of articles on conservation, wildlife, and filmmaking. Now, let us move on to the introduction of this lesson, children. Now, the text in this chapter has all the important features of persuasive writing. It takes a position on an issue, therefore, the tone is serious on tigers. Like, tigers are endangered species and we need to take steps to save them. It provides evidence to prove its point. Like Dr. Ulhas Karnath, a leading tiger expert, he says that India can support 5,000 tigers and we have now less than 2,000. Now it backs the evidence. Now let us move on to the summary of this lesson chapter, children. As you all know, the writer of this story, that is Shekhar Dattatri, he begins the text by telling us about his first tiger sighting in the wild because he wants us to feel the same sense of wonder and awe that inspired him to work towards the conserving the tiger. The writer also makes us to feel that we should take care of forest and nature by showing us the role of humans in destroying the forest and wildlife. He had many close encounters with wild tigers during his career as a wildlife filmmaker. Okay, now saving the tiger's habitat benefits all of us children because over 300 rivers originate from forests that are now protected in the name of the tiger. Dr. Ulhas Karnat, a leading tiger expert in India, according to him, the right things require us to understand what tigers need to survive and to take action to remove and threats that they face. Tigers are poached and killed. Tiger skin is sold as rugs and wall hangings, and the bones and the other body parts are used as medicine in China and Southeast Asia. He also says that these medicinal properties of tiger products have not been proved, but they have been used because of superstitious belief in their efficacy. He wants us to see that the decrease in tiger population is largely due to poaching and accept the gravity of the situation and rectify it by taking steps to protect our tigers. He also says that all of us should think of wildlife conservation as our joint responsibility and whatever we can to cooperate with the forest department to protect it. And also it has proved that tigers can be saved from extinction as has been done in certain sanctuaries. Now, from this lesson, you can also see that he points out that it is a symbol of our country and India is famous as the land of the tiger. Also, it is a precious gift of nature and it is our duty to preserve it. He finally concludes by saying that saving the tiger is our responsibility and surely we can do it. Now, the learning outcomes from this lesson. Infer the seriousness of the issue, conclude how tigers have become an endangered species, note the remedial steps taken in some game sanctuaries, realize how important it is for us to participate in conservation. I hope all of you have learned lot of things from this chapter. Thank you, children.